Hello YouTube viewers, thank you so much for tuning into my channel today, and this kitchen here is going to get a makeover. When I first got this house, I created a kitchen here with all dark wood appliances, but I've never changed it, and it's been like about 10 years since I've had the same setting in here. So it's time for a change, and I wanted you to see the kitchen the way it is now. I've already removed the table and other items, but before I remove everything from here, I wanted you to see what it looks like before I change everything. So I want you to stay tuned because there will be a totally brand new look in this kitchen. So I hope that you will enjoy all the new details, and thank you so much for watching.